Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Jazz rear wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely with the ignition off for safety. Then, gently lift the entire wiper arm assembly away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. This provides clear access to the old blade for removal. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Gently press this tab or clip, then slide the entire old blade downwards, away from the arm until it completely detaches. It should come off with minimal force. Remember to hold the wiper arm firmly to prevent it from accidentally snapping back and potentially damaging your rear window. With the old blade removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade upwards along the arm until you hear a distinct click. This click confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's perform some essential checks. Carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window, ensuring it rests flat against the glass. Then, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper. Observe its movement across the window. It should operate smoothly, without any skipping or streaking, providing a clear view. This quick test confirms your successful installation and ensures optimal performance for safe driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.